In this short video, I want to show you how to upgrade the firmware of your Sony ZV-1 and II camera. The first step you need to do is to check what is the current firmware version on your Sony camera. So turn on the camera and then go to menu, and under menu you need to go to the last option, which is the setting option, and then go to setup option, and then you have version on the right. Choose version. So you need to compare the version that is on the camera with the latest version that is on Sony's website. The camera's version here is 1.01, and now there is a version on Sony's website that is 2.0. So the firmware should be updated on this camera. Select OK. And the second step is to format the SD card that is in the camera. Now, before formatting the SD card, you need to know that formatting it will delete all the data that is on the SD card. So if you have any videos or photos that you want to save, remove the SD card, copy them to your PC, and then format the SD card. I'm not responsible if you lose any photos or any videos. So to format the SD card, you need to go to the camera menu and then go to media, and then on the right you have format. Select format, and you have quick format. We're gonna do a quick format. So select enter and then press on the OK button, and the memory card will be formatted. Step number 3 is to download the firmware. So go to this website, sony.com/support, and here on the website click on downloads and then choose your product type. So in our case it is cameras and camcorders, and choose digital cameras, and then click on compact cameras and click also on ZV series. And here you have all the ZV series. So we have the ZV-1 II. Click on it and you see that the firmware here, it is version 2.0. So click on it to download it. And on this page on the top left, click on download once again. This is the agreement. You can read it if you want to. And then once you scroll to the end of the agreement, the download button will be available. So click on it and the site will ask you if you want to sign in to download. So here I don't have a Sony account. I'm gonna download it without signing in. So I'm gonna click the option download now without an account. And here's the file. Click on save to save it. The file is more than 600 megabytes. So wait for it to finish downloading. And here's the file finished downloading. Let's go to the folder where it was downloaded. So here it is. So now the next step, we need to copy the file to the SD card that we formatted in step 2. So you need to connect your camera with the USB cable to your PC. So here I am connecting it. And once you connect your camera to your PC, you need to turn on the camera. It will tell you what do you need to do with the connection. So you need to choose the image transfer option. And this way the camera will be treated as USB on your PC. So it will open two windows for you. Let's close them and let's go here under my PC and choose the camera. And this is the camera here. So I knew it from the size of the SD card. I have a 256 gigabytes SD card. Open it. And this folder that you see in front of you is created automatically by the camera. Just ignore it. And now you need to drag and drop the new firmware into the SD card and wait for it to be copied. When the file finishes copying to the SD card, you need to turn off the camera and then disconnect it from your PC. And now the next step is we need to go into the menu of the camera and update the firmware. Before updating the firmware, you need to make sure of 3 important things. The first thing is that the battery level is more than 3 bars. The second thing is that the camera is not hot, so the camera should be rested before doing the upgrade. And the third thing, never turn off the camera or remove the SD card while the upgrade is taking place. So now to do the upgrade, press on the menu and go to the last setting here. And then here you need to go also to the last option, which is setup option. Go to version and then select it. And then you see here software update. Tap on it to select it. And here it's telling you what I just told you. So it's telling you do not turn off the power, do not remove the media, and so on. So now we need to press on execute to do the software upgrade. And now the camera will perform the software upgrade. Just leave it to perform it automatically. When the camera is performing the firmware upgrade, notice how the on-off button is flashing. According to Sony, the firmware upgrade will take around 6 minutes to finish. So now the camera finished the software upgrade, and you receive this message when it finishes. So simply here, tap on OK, and let's check if the software was really upgraded. So let's go to menu, and this is version, and let's check. So now, as you see, the firmware version is version 2.0. And this concludes our tutorial, and now I'm recording with the ZV-1 Mark II after we updated the firmware together. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.